Return back to software engineering framework activity. Okay, previous video just explained about the what are the activities from the software development. Then here this class is also continuity about the software process. Okay, so what are the framework activities done the software development? Okay, so here explain about the umbrella activities. Okay, umbrella activities. Then what do you mean by umbrella activities? That means it consists of large number of points developed from the software development. Then so listen here. Then first one is that means it consists of software project tracking and control, risk management, software quality assurance. Then next one is technical reviews, then measurement, then next one is software configuration management, then reusability management. So these are the umbrella activities. These are main points of software umbrella activities. Okay, so first one is software project tracking and control. Okay, so what are the activities? So the umbrella activity is a main thing, that is an important one. Then what are the activities following during the development of softwares? Okay, first one is software project tracking and control. So it can allows software team to assess process against a project plan and take any necessary action to maintain the schedule. Okay, so if you develop the software or project during the development time, then you must maintain, that means to change or update any schedule for the job or task or testing or costing or any changing during the development of software. So that is tracking and control. Okay, can you clear about this idea? That means if you develop a software, the duration, that means during the development time, if you if you can change the schedule. Okay, so that is the important thing. Then after risk management, then what do you mean by risk management? Then what or how much effort to take that software development? Okay, so assess a risk that may be affect the outcome of the project or the quality of the product. Okay, so if you delivered a quality of product, then only you can take the effort, how much effort take to deliver a good quality of product. So that is risk management. The next, software quality assurance. Quality assurance means defines and conducts the activities required to ensure quality, software quality. Okay, then what is the activity? What are the activity conduct to develop the software quality? Quality, so what is the quality of product? That means to satisfy the customer satisfaction, to satisfy the customers. So the product, your product, that means your product must satisfy the customer satisfaction. So then only that product is a validation product or software quality. Okay, then next one is technical reviews. Technical reviews, what are the technical reviews? That means software engineering work products in an effort to uncover and remove errors before they are propagated to the next activity. So suppose if you develop one unit, then after to testing, the testing means what? Then if you run that codings, then if you have any errors, that means the compilation of the program to find any error, then to correct it. Okay, then correct it, then after to recompilation, then next you check that, then if it is satisfy the customer need or not, then again it to do this program. So this is repeated again and again until to meet the condition. Which condition? That is customer satisfaction is a very important thing. So that is technical reviews. That means technical reviews means if you develop the codings, then after to checking it, then if it is error, then correct it. That is the technical reviews. Then after to measurement. Measurement means defines and collects process, project and product measures. Okay, then process. Okay, if you know process, what is the activity, what are the task, then what are the action. So these are the process. Okay, then project means is a software, then product means then after to complete the software, then to do the product. Okay, then these three terms then to measure, otherwise to define what type of process done in the project. Okay, then what type of product to provide to deliver the customer. So these are the performance. Okay, these are the performance. So how is it? Okay, then how much time take to complete this project. So these are the measurement. So very important thing, stakeholders need. Okay, can be used in conjunction with all other framework and umbrella activities. So measurements means you must measure or determine the process, project and product. So these things must be satisfied the stakeholder, customer. So that is very important thing. Then software configuration management. Configuration manage the effects of changes throughout the software process. Okay, so configuration means that configuration is also satisfied with the customers. Reusability management defines the criteria for work product reuse, including software components and establishing mechanism to the achieve reusable components. Reusability management means then the product must reuse. That means in future purpose the customer need to change any changes from that software, that must done done that software. That means reuse. Okay, already existing that software is again to modify something, then to do reuse. Okay, so that is reusability management. So these are the umbrella activities. Okay, so during software development, then what type of activities? The previous class already explained about the 5 types of concept activities. Okay, then in this class just umbrella activities, what are the main points following based on the umbrella activities. Okay, so it's a very simple concept, so I hope you can understand this concept. Okay, thank you.